4-4, Part 2. A carpet can contain millions of dust mites. Suppose the length of a dust mite is 2.5 times 10 to the negative 4 meters. If a carpet has 1 million dust mites and they all crawled away single file, how long would the line be? So, the first thing I want us to talk about is 1 million. How 1 million looks. 1 million is 1 and 6 zeros. We could write that in scientific notation as 1 times 10 to the 6th. 1 times 10 to the 6th. So in order for us to find out how long the line would be, what we first must do is find the length of dust mite. The length of a dust mite. We're going to multiply it times the number of dust mites, and that will be equal to the total length. Now, we were told in our problem the length of a dust mite. Well, the length of the dust mite was 2.5 times 10 to the negative 4 meters. That was the length of the dust mite. Then it says we need the number of dust mites. We were told that if a carpet has 1 million dust mites, so we've got the number of dust mites, that would be 1 million. So I'm going to write it as 1 times 10 to the 6th. And I'm going to put parentheses around my two values that are in scientific notation. So if I multiply these together, I will have the total length of the line if all the million dust mites crawled away in single file. So to multiply, remember, you do not have to have same powers of 10. You simply multiply your first numbers. We'll multiply 2.5 times 1 times, multiplying my powers of 10. I have 10 to the negative 4 times 10 to the 6th. I'll do that again. When multiplying two numbers that are in scientific notation, you must first multiply the first numbers. 2.5, and that's 2.5 times 1. Times, you'll multiply the two powers of 10. 10 to the negative 4 times 10 to the 6. Well, 2.5 times 1 is 2.5 times 10. When you are multiplying like bases, you add exponents. That's 10 to the negative 4 plus 6. Well, negative 4 plus 6, you're adding with unlike signs. Subtract and take the sign of the larger would give you positive 2. Negative 4 plus 6 is 10 squared. So I now have 2.5 times 10 squared. This number is in scientific notation. So this would be the length of the line of dust mites. 2.5 times 10 squared. Now that's if you leave your answer in scientific notation. What if you were asked to leave your answer in standard form? What if you were asked to leave your answer in standard form? Well,